booth of DH Solar, the company very well known for their balcony solar system, but they also have very innovative module products. So please, in briefly, can you tell me what are the most important and innovative products you are promoting at this show?
Yeah, sure. Thanks everybody, welcome. We want to show you the full screen module. It's our patent, it's our most important product right now, exclusive from DH. We are solving the problem of dust accumulation. We can see here in this comparison table that the regular module, because of the border, you have the accumulation of water, dust and everything. And with full screen, since it's borderless, so the water flows and clean the module. So it's a kind of auto-cleaning module. So then we can increase the power generation more or less from 6 to 15%. So it's a big increase of power generation.
And can you implement this technology to any module, any size, any technology?
Yes, it's possible to implement any technology, any size. It's scalable technology. We can put in all kind of modules. Yeah.
And can you give the details of this particular module which you are promoting here?
Yeah. So for this case, it's a module that we promote for Europe. So it's a 430 module, watt peak. Okay. Then we can make this comparison between the regular module and the full screen module. Yeah.
So now here I see a lot of colorful modules. So can you explain a little bit more?
Yeah, sure. So we can implement our technologies in all kind of modules, as we were discussing before. So this we have full screen module plus color. So we are focusing right now just providing high performance modules, but also really beautiful products, like for architecture, for BIPV applications. So we have many types of colors. We have here the module. It's any type top cone module, and then we apply this colored film in the modules, and the customer can also choose which color. It's customized. So we are serving our customers with the best technologies and best looking. Yeah.
And how much you lose when you put the color film compared to the module? So for example, here it is up to 430 watt.
Yeah.
If it is non-colored, how much it would go up?
More or less 450 or 460, something like this. Yeah, yeah. It's not a big difference. Yeah, yeah.
And anything else you would like to show us?
Yeah, I really would like to show our newest technology is the zero bus bar module. We can see here. We can see here that we have our zero bus bar technology, really high efficiency. We are talking about 23.52 on a top cone module. And the best thing about DH is that all technologies can be combined once again. So we have full black modules, really beautiful, zero bus bar, full screen, all technologies are integrated.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you for coming.